Good evening to all. So, previous to this, we were having the class in the month of November. Okay. During that time period, we have conducted almost 5 to 6 classes. In that classes, we have discussed about the what is Indian polity or what is civil services. All these topics we have discussed in those classes. Approximately 6 classes were being done of the students during that point of time. Those who are having this as the first class, I will give them a recap what we have done previously. Like previously, we have done about the what is the pattern of the civil services, what is UPSC, what is Indian polity, then what is the relevance of Indian polity or why the subject of the Indian polity has been incorporated into the syllabus for civil services exam. After this, we have discussed about the weightage of Indian polity, then type of the questions into the prelims as well as the mains written. कुछ मैंने स्टडी मटेरियल भी लिखवाया था स्टूडेंट्स को और उसके बाद हमने कुछ जनरल डिस्कशन किया था इंडियन पॉलिटी के बारे में, बट हमने सिलेबस नहीं शुरू किया था. ओके, बट जो हमने किया था वो भी बेसिक्स काफी इंपॉर्टेंट था स्टूडेंट्स के लिए कि उससे बेस बनता है. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर हैविंग दिस एज द फर्स्ट क्लास? ओके, नो इश्यूज. जो आज हम शुरू भी कर रहे हैं, जो पहले का किया है मैं आपको अरेंज करवा के दूंगा कहीं से. ओके, यू हैव टू गेट इट फोटोकॉपीड, तो उसे एक बार पढ़ लीजिएगा जब भी टाइम लगे. ओके, ताकि उससे थोड़ा एक बेसिक्स आपका अच्छा हो जाएगा. डू यू हैव दैट रजिस्टर? क्या था इसमें लास्ट? कीवर्ड्स थे. अच्छा, कीवर्ड्स कौन सा था लास्ट इसके अंदर? अल्ट्रा वायस. अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है. आपने प्रॉपर मेंटेन किया हुआ है ना रजिस्टर इसका? ठीक है. Today we will start with the subject of Indian polity properly. Okay, the last class of the Indian polity was on November 6. After that, I was being affected with the COVID, so almost for a time period of 1 month, the classes were being cancelled. And after 6th of November, today I am taking the class of the Indian polity. Okay, and today still we will not be dealing with the directly with the subject. पहले एक छोटा मोटा हम टॉपिक करेंगे. ओके, फिर उसके बाद हम अपना पहला टॉपिक शुरू करेंगे, दैट इज द पार्लियामेंट्री सिस्टम. ओके, कुछ जो नए स्टूडेंट हैं, कोई टर्म हैवी लगे या फिर ऐसा लगे कि क्या पढ़ रहे हैं, तो उसे घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है. गिव योरसेल्फ जस्ट 2 to 3 days. ओके, 2 से 3 दिन आप खुद को दीजिए. आप बिल्कुल एक स्ट्रीमलाइन आ जाएंगे सब्जेक्ट के अंदर, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं रहेगी. ओके, तो इससे घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है. कोई अगर ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट भी है, अगर किसी की फर्स्ट क्लास है, तो ज्यादा इसके अंदर परेशान होने की जरूरत नहीं है आपको कि you are not able to get what we will be dealing with over here. That will be very much easier in nature. तो आपको normally समझ आ जाएगा. Okay, so we are going to start with this. I request everyone to please write it down fastly. Why do we need a constitution? Online students also please write it down. Why do we need a constitution? Right about this. A constitution helps preserve. A constitution helps preserves a set of rules and principles. A set of rules and principles that all persons in a country can agree upon. That all persons in a country can agree upon as the basis of the way, as the basis of the way in which they want, in which they want a country to be governed. A country to be governed. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को मैंने पहले भी बोला है कि आप शॉर्ट में लिख लिया कीजिए. ओके, हमेशा बार बार फुल फॉर्म लिखने की जरूरत नहीं. ओके, टू कंट्री टू बी गवर्न्ड. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, they want. Next line. The Constitution also spells. The Constitution also spells out the ideals ideals, the citizens, the people, the citizens, the people, and the other outsiders, and the other outsiders, and their belief, and their belief in the constitution of a country. Next para. Into the present modern state, into the present modern state, almost all the countries have their own constitution. Almost all the countries have their own constitution. Whether it's a communist setup, whether it's a communist setup or a democratic setup, whether it's a communist setup or a democratic setup. Okay, fresh page, give the heading parliamentary system. This is a completely a very fresh and the first topic of the syllabus. Okay, parliamentary system. जहां पे भी देखिए आप खुद ही कर लिया कीजिए, like parliamentary से बार-बार आएगा तो short में बना लिया उसे खुद ही. Okay, our constitution provides for a parliamentary form of government. Our constitution provides for a parliamentary form of government both at state and center. Both at state and center. At center we are having the parliament. At center we are having the parliament, or sansad, and at the state level, and at the state sansad, and at the state level we are having the, and at the state level we are having the state legislative assembly, state legislative assembly, or state legislature, or state legislature, or Vidhan Sabha. Next time, the parliamentary form of government is also known as the parliamentary form of government. Do not play with the pen. The parliamentary form of government is also known as cabinet government. The parliamentary form of government is also known as cabinet government, or responsible government, or responsible government, or Westminster. Kindly see over here on the screen. Online students, kindly see on the screen. Or the Westminster model of government, prevalent in UK. Model of government prevalent in UK. Just write down in bracket. इस वेस्टमिंस्टर को शॉर्ट में बना लीजिए WM. Okay. Write down bracket. Westminster is the seat of British Parliament in the UK. Write down fastly. Westminster is the seat of British Parliament in the UK. Next para. On the other hand, we are having the presidential form of government, written, which is also known as non-responsible, non-parliamentary, non-responsible, non-parliamentary, or fixed executive system of government, prevalent in US, Brazil, Russia, etc. Prevalent in US, Brazil, Russia, etc. Next line. All these countries are practicing democracy. Like India is practicing parliamentary form of democracy. Whereas US is practicing presidential form of democracy. Whereas US is practicing presidential form of democracy. Leave one line, give the subheading. Features of parliamentary form of government. Features of parliamentary form of government. Head on the first point to this. Nominal and real executive. Nominal and real executive. Read on the explanation of this point. In India, nominal executive is president, also called as, kindly see on the screen, de jure, also called as de jure. And the real executive is, Prime Minister, PM, Prime Minister, called as, kindly see on the screen, de facto. Online students, called as de facto. Right on the second point, majority party rule. I think so no explanation is required for this. Okay. Second point is majority party rule. Third point, collective responsibility. Collective responsibility, right on the explanation of this point. The entire Council of Ministers, is collectively responsible to the lower house of the parliament, that is Lok Sabha, they are responsible for their policies and actions, and they all work as a team, and they kindly see on the screen, swim and sink together, and they swim and sink together. Right on the fourth point, leadership of the Prime Minister. I think so no explanation is required for this. Okay, everyone is clear, leadership. Right on the fifth and the last point, dissolution of lower house. Kindly see over here. Dissolution of lower house. After a time period of 5 years, the lower house, that is Lok Sabha, will be dissolved. By the president on the recommendation of the Prime Minister. And fresh elections will held. And a new government will be formed. Okay, please stop down, read the entire of this for a minute. इसको जल्दी से एक बार आप पढ़िए, फिर उसके बाद हम इसका डिस्कशन शुरू करें.